Hello बच्चों, the question is study the four statements 1 to 4 given below and select the two correct ones out of them. So out of these four, two statements are correct and two are incorrect. We have to find out the correct ones. So let's see these statements one by one. So a lion eating a deer and a sparrow feeding on grain are ecologically similar in being consumers. So this is true because there are two types of organisms. One is producers, it means the autotrophs, while the other category which consume the other organisms or means they are the consumers or the heterotrophs. So the organisms which do not make their own food and depend on others for their nourishment, they are called the consumers. So when we say a lion is eating a deer, it means deer is eaten by a lion. So here deer is consumer and lion is also a consumer. So deer is feeding on plants. So plants to deer and deer to lion. So this is the autotroph. It means it is a producer while these two are the consumer. This is the primary consumer and this is secondary consumer. And when a sparrow is eating the grains means the food material which is obtained by the plant. So plant seeds are eaten by the sparrow. So here also grain is the producer and sparrow is a consumer. So here lion is a consumer and sparrow is also a consumer. So ecologically they both are the consumers. So this one is true. Now the second statement is predator starfish Pisaster help in maintaining species diversity of some invertebrates. So this is true because the starfish Pisaster, it is found on the American Pacific coastline. So it acts as a predator. So the starfish Pisaster, it acts as a predator, and the predators are the organisms which kill and eat the flesh of other animals. Now the predators feed on their prey, and this is how the population of prey is maintained. So predators are maintaining the prey population. So as it was evident from an field experiment, that when Pisaster or the starfish was removed, so it was found that 10 species of invertebrates became extinct, and it was due to interspecific competition. So when Pisaster was there, the prey population was under control. Its prey include the invertebrates. But when there is no starfish, then its prey will increase their population. And when the population of prey will increase, it means there will be competition among them. So if the competition is between two different species, this is called interspecific competition. And competition is harmful for both the species. So it was seen that after removing the starfish from its habitat, its prey population increased several fold, and there started a competition among them. And due to this competition, 10 species of invertebrates became extinct. So it is true. Now the 1 and 2 are true. So the right answer will be option D. But if we look further at other two statements, so predators ultimately lead to extinction of prey species. This is very wrong because predators are very prudent, because they never extinct their prey. Predators feed on the prey in such a way that they only control their population. They do not entirely kill them. It means because when the prey population will be extinct, now predators will find no food, so they will be extinct. So they are very prudent because they only keep their prey population under control. They do not eliminate them completely. So this is not true. Then the next option is production of chemicals such as nicotine, strychnine by the plants are metabolic disorders. So no, these are the metabolites which are produced by plants, and these are produced in order to protect themselves from the grazing animals or the browsers. So these chemicals are either harmful or very distasteful for the grazing animals. So plants produce such chemicals so that they are not eaten by the grazing animals. So this is their protection mechanism. This is a way to protect themselves. Not these are not any disorders. So this one is not true. So the only right options here are the options 1 and 2. So the right answer of this question is option D. I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.